Okay, this video is going to focus on making some basic changes to your website. We're going to start with features like adding text, changing text, and adding links. We are logged into the site and we see our main menu here to the left. The first thing we want to do is click on Pages, and we want to get to the page where we want to make our change. In this case, we're going to use the training page. So I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom and just click once on the name of the page. And this is going to open that page here on the right panel of my screen. I'm going to move my mouse over the page until I see this pop-up box that says Page Content and then the word Edit. And when I click on Edit, I see that my screen moves into edit mode. I know that I'm in edit mode because as I move my cursor around the screen, I see these boxes and I see these pop-ups that tell me which box that I'm editing. So in this case, if I were to click edit here, I would actually be editing the image. Instead, I want to edit the text. So if we have text on a page that we want to change, we want to hover our mouse over the box where that text appears and just click one time. This is going to bring up our text formatting menu, and here we can begin to type our changes just like we are in a normal document. You can type whatever you want on your page just by choosing just to type right in that box. You have a few formatting options, things like bold or italics. You can left, center, or right justify your text. You have bullet options, both standard bullets and numbers. You can indent your bullets. So if we have this as a bulleted list on the left and we place hit return and we indent the next bullet here. So we have several options for our text formatting. So it's just as easy as that to type in the text and fix whatever you'd like to fix. Now, you can copy and paste text from another document. However, if you do so, I do recommend that you use this little feature here called Paste as Plain Text. So for example, if I were copying this from another document, I would do a Control-C or Command-C to the text. And then if I wanted to paste it here at the top, I would click on this little piece of paper, click paste in the box, and then OK. And what that's going to do is take out any type of formatting that was associated with that text. So just like that, we've edited text on our website, and we've played around with bullets, numbering, and formatting. Now, the next thing you might want to do is to have different types of links on your site. You may need to update a link or add a new one. And there are 3 types of links that you can use. What we're going to do is highlight the text that we want to become the link. So you can see down here as an example, I have highlighted the text, download your training guide, and link that to a PDF file. So we're going to show you the 3 types of links here. The first is to link to content, which just means we're linking to another page within our own website. So we're going to highlight the text that we want to be the link, and we're going to choose the link button here on our format bar. It's going to open this small little pop-up window, and you can see here are 3 options: content, files, and external. So we're going to click on the word content, and we can choose any page on our website to link to. Now, we can't link to a folder. This is just a folder that has pages underneath of it. So that's why those folders are gray. But in this case, we're going to link over to our donation page. So I'm going to click there. I get the check mark, and then I'm just going to click add link. We'll test those links in just a minute. The next kind of link we can do is adding a file. So we're going to highlight the text again, go back to our link format or our link shortcut on our format bar, and we're going to click on Files. Now this is going to give you a list of files that are already linked on your website, which is helpful if you need to add a link several different places. We can also click on the arrow, and this is going to open a file window on my computer where I can open a new document and link to that document. So in this case, I'm just going to link here to a PDF on my file, and you're going to see that pop in that window saying that it has been linked. We're always going to open files in a new window. So we want to click that little circle at the bottom and choose add link. And the last thing we can do is link to any external website. So in this case, again, we're going to go to our link shortcut, and we're just going to type a website into this bar. And again, we want to open links that leave our site in a new window and choose add link. So I'm going to save those changes, and now we have 3 different types of links. And you'll see when I click on the content, this pushes us over to that donate page. So that is how you add new text to your site and also edit your links. The last thing I want to cover in this video are buttons, because buttons really are just fancy links. This is a button. It just has a border around it, and we can make it look a couple of different ways. And to edit any button that you see on your site, hover over the button and choose edit. And we get this little pop-up window. We can change the text that appears on the button. So this is my new button text. Again, we have 3 options for our buttons. We can link it to content, to files, or an external site. So in this case, let's link it over to the event calendar. We can change the size of the button, whether it be small, medium, or large, and each of those are going to look different. And we can change the alignment, and that is the alignment within the box itself. So right now it is aligned left, and we'll click apply. So just like that, we've changed our button link, and now if I click on, if I save this change and click on that button, that's going to take me over to our events page. So this video has covered how to add and change text, how to add and edit links, and using your button links as well.